Well, Happy New Year. It's middle of January already, and we need to get on some projects here going for 2023. So, first being, I've got to fix the Jeep. Everything is bigger. I still have that 4L80E transmission leak between that and the advanced adapter and the Dana 300. So I need to get that fixed, get the freeze plugs placed in the holes that are open there in the gap on the back by the tail shaft. That's something I never knew that those holes had to be plugged, and I've come to find out that those need to have freeze plugs in it. So we are going to tackle that. Santa may have left the little red sack and what is that? Maybe some other tools. So that's going to help us out. Got a few batteries on the charger, and we're going to get after it. So stick around. All right, I'm gonna show you all this. Apparently, I use way too much RTV and basically have glued. I'll show you. Oh, I think y'all can make that out. I have glued the adapter together. So we're gonna call that a day. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see what I can think up and how we can fix it. All right, day two, we're back in the shop and we're still trying to get that transfer case off the transmission. I used too much RTV, we're trying to get separated. So I'll show you, I put a couple of straps on it. We're trying to pull it back off of there, and we're gonna see what we can get done. So hang on. Sorry about that. Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me, coming through. New player to the game. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. Working on the Jeep, replacing the rear transmission seal. It's been leaking, and that seal leaking, it just blows right through the transfer case. You know, one of those things that after you hear everybody doing, you know, LS swaps, this and that, you never knew this kind of stuff would sneak up on you, but it did. So you can see the mess we've made. Yeah, but that's what it takes, you know. I guess we could have bought a new Jeep. No. But thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. All right, that's going to be the end of this video. We're going to start issuing these videos, try to get them out once a week. Thursday evening seems to be a good time. We're not overlapping the other YouTubers with some good stuff that we follow. I did get the transfer case off, and I got the new seal for the rear of the transmission where it's leaking. I've not got the freeze plugs to put in the holes, so I'm waiting to get those. And also, we convinced ourselves that while we had the transfer case off, I might as well replace the seals on it since it was blowing out fluid from the transmission from there. So we'll get those parts ordered. You can see the wrath of everything's left. I had a buddy comment and said, look like a post-surgery, but yeah. So you can see I got the advanced adapters off. Got to clean those up, and so we can get all this stuff ready to go back on. But that'll be in the next video. So got a few more updates. I might post a couple pictures here and there on the back of this, and also pond levels up. I'll have that video coming out soon. Also probably do it in a short, and I'm going to add the storm footage from the storm that came through Texas this week. So I hope y'all like the video. It's not really exciting, you know, laying on the ground, you know, busting your knuckles. But when I get back to the office, they ask, "You just lay around all weekend?" You dang right. Laying around this cold shop floor. Jeep life. We got it off, and we're gonna try to get this leak fixed and get it back ready to go for the next project. So be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.